Yo guys, so for this trick I want the spectator to say stop at any point. So let's say they say stop right about here. I'm gonna place the deck to the side and they can make a grid from 4x4. So left to right, just like this. And when that's done, I want to place it a bit more so everything fits to the camera. Just like this. Yes, and now I want to flip over these two cards and these two cards. Just like this. And now the spectator can make a pile of all those 16 cards. So how to do that? If you want to place the card vertically or horizontally, you have to flip the card over just like this. But when they want to do it diagonally, they have to place it just on the card. So they are gonna do that just like this. However they want it. And now they made one normal pile out of the cards. And they can look through the cards. And they see all the cards are face down. Except for the 1, 2, 3, and 4 aces. Boom. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and nice you made it into the tutorial. And the secret behind this trick is really easy. Just take 4 aces or 4 cards you like out of the deck. And you then take 12 more random cards. And you're gonna place 1 ace on top. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. Place the second ace. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. The third ace. And 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. And the last ace. So now you have 1 ace here. That's 4 cards. Another ace here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another ace here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last ace is here. And that's basically the preparation you need. And now we can begin. You place everything on top and we're ready to go. You can cut the cards out and make sure the aces are face down. You can cut the cards but hold a pinky break. So when the spectator says stop, you just lift everything above the pinky break. They can say stop wherever they want, but just lift everything above the pinky break. Now you can cut the cards or just take this pile and you're gonna make the grid. So it's a 4x4 grid. Don't know if it will fit on the camera, but I can try to make it a bit better. And now the aces are in these positions. Here, 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 and here. And now you have to flip over this card, this card, oops, this card, and this card. And now it's basically a self-working card trick. You can tell the spectator they have to make one full pile of the cards. And they have to do it, if they want to do it vertically or horizontally, they have to flip the card over. But when they want to do it diagonally, they have to just place it like this. And like that, you're gonna make one pile. And you can already see the aces will get the only cards that are flipped over. That's really cool because you don't need to do anything about it. And really the spectator can do this by themselves because yeah, it's a self-working card trick. And that's it. Now you can already see the aces are face up. But if you want the spectator to not see the first card to be in face up ace, you can just cut the cards like this. So the first card they see is the face down card. So now they can look through the cards and they will find the aces to be the only cards that are face up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the trick and the tutorial, and if you really enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe, and maybe you can watch this video too, because that's a really cool card trick. So see you later. Ciao.